Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial using the Zodiac palette from Colourpop and Kathleen lights. I've had this for a while and I know this video is kind of late because the palette's been out for quite some time now. But yeah, I had ordered a few things from Colourpop and including the Zodiac collection, but when I received my package, my Zodiac palette was not in there, so I had to email Colourpop and tell them what was going on, and then they said they would send me it, and then I didn't realize that I had gotten it because it came in a smaller package and it actually fit in the mailbox, so I didn't even realize that it was in there until maybe probably like a week that I was waiting for it. So yeah, I probably could have gotten this video up sooner, but yeah, sorry about not being able to do that. But today I'm just gonna go ahead and do a tutorial. I have used this already once, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and it's so beautiful. I love the packaging. It has a huge mirror and the colors are just amazing. Like, look at those colors, they're so pretty. I'm so happy that the teal turquoise one is for my sign, which is Pisces. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm just gonna do is prime my eyelids. I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild foundation to do that because I don't really have an eyelid primer, and I know I should really get one, but I haven't. I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take the color, I'm gonna take the color, the Taurus, which is right here, which is like a light brown. And I'm not gonna take too much of it. I'm just gonna dab my brush really nice, softly into it, tap off any excess, and then just start that in my crease, just to add a bit of color and a little bit of something that can set the eyelid primer. So now I think I'm gonna go into the color, the Sagittarius, which is like this beautiful maroony purple right here. And I'm just gonna take a smaller brush just to pack that on to my outer corner. I'm just lightly tapping that. I'm just starting that out on my outer corner, and I'm just kind of doing circular motions just to put that color down right there. Just like that, just building it up to your liking. I like to build it up because I just love the look of this kind of color on my eyes. I don't know, it just looks very pretty, I feel like. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go back with the first brush that I used and just kind of blend that out with the other color. Just do my best to blend it out so it doesn't look harsh. Okay, I think it looks fine, but I will add more later if I feel like I need more to my eyes. So I think I want to go in with the color Pisces. Was the color that I used when I first used this palette, but I feel like Gemini would look really pretty, which is this really nice metallic gold. I think I'll do that. I'm gonna take this on a flat brush. maybe like one like this, tiny one, and just pack that on my eye. I don't think you need to wet your brush with this one. Or I don't, yeah, no, I think it'll be fine. Actually, I think you might need to wet your brush. That's like what it looks like when your brush is not wet, so I think I'm gonna have to wet my brush because it's not as pigmented and it's bright as I want it to be. So I'm just gonna do that and see what it looks like with the wet brush. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a bit more of like the purple Sagittarius color to my outer corner and just kind of blending that really really softly, like not, you know, going really harshly on my eye. I'm just gonna go like this very lightly, just so that I don't wipe away that other color. Okay, and now I'm also just gonna go back with the same brush that I used the first time and blend out the edges. I'm not really feeling this look, like this eye look. I don't really know like what I'm doing. Just gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and do my lower lash line. I'm just gonna be using the Taurus and the Sagittarius color like I used on my lid. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back to kind of share with you my thoughts. I know this is not the best look because well, it's not the best look to do for this palette just because it has so many other colors, but we'll be using this palette more in the future. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with the rest of my face and I actually kind of like this look. I felt like at first when I had done my eyes, it didn't really do the palette justice just because I used like 3 colors, but I really like this look. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. I just added a bit of the color Taurus to my lower lash line. And I don't typically do my lower lash line just because I always see it. Oh, well, blah, blah, blah. I seem to notice that the color under my eyes fades throughout the day, and I don't know why. Maybe it's because I don't use a proper concealer, or I don't know. But if you guys might know why that happens, then please let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, my final thoughts on the palette so far. I've used it. This is the second time I've used it, and I really like it so far. The colors are very pigmented. They're blendable. The shimmers are very pretty. I do notice you have to wet your brush to get more of like the boom pigment that you might want with the shimmers, but they're very beautiful. Sorry this video was so late. I hope you still enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That would be really nice and I would really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.